26, 2018. Full zoom, I'm facing northwest. It is 7:23 p.m. Got some wispy, weird looking clouds over here towards the west. Let's see what else we got. We're at full zoom. Southwest doesn't look very much any better. Other than that, there's absolutely no other clouds except towards the east. See right there. There's a little bit right there. Right there. And then we've got the moon. Got us a low flying helicopter coming in. I can hear it. Well, I'll be. There it is. Talk about flying over my head. Wow. Yeah. What's up with that? Yeah. That's a direct flyover. I mean, if you could say that would be like, that's just intimidation. That's nuts. Really? Come on, man. And if you guys couldn't tell, that's directly over me. Yeah. Crazy. And he's gone behind that puffy cloud almost. No, he's in front of it actually. Wow. Go figure. Anyway. Another distraction. You see that, buddy? You saw that too, huh? That's odd. I know. Alright. That's an update. Peace out.